Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of South Indian Sign Languages detection using hand gesture. So the main objective of this project is here we are detecting South Indian Sign Languages by using hand gesture, and this is useful for the person who are facing disabled and the person who are experienced a stroke. Like this project is useful for them in order to communicate with the other peoples. So we are in this project, we are using machine learning concept, that is CNN algorithm, to classify purpose. So now we can go for the architecture. So initially we have collected the data set of both offline and real-time hand gestures and pre-processing and then segmentation, and we are training the model using CNN algorithm. Then for in GUI we are load the train model and it will predict the letters of different South Indian languages. And this is mainly applicable for in TV smart controlling and also medical operation it is useful, and gesture based gaming control it is useful, and also gesture controlled home appliances and also electoral voting machine it is, this project is useful. So now we go for the code. So these are the packages we have installed and we are using in this project for classifying purpose. So initially we have collected the data set of both offline and real-time data set. And once we collected the data set, we are going through the training part, that is done through the CNN algorithm. So here we initially give the input shape of the original data set. Then it has consists of three layers: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. So input layer, it will give the outsource of input data set. Then process through the convolution neural network. Then last, flatten is used for each image is converted into one-dimensional array. Last, dense is used for classifying purpose. Once the training is completed, it will give the accuracy and also the loss. Now run the model. So first we can check for the offline dataset. Click on text image. So initially we have collected this type of data set. Select any one of the images from this folder. So here we can see the corresponding based on the hand gesture, it will give the letters. First we check for offline data set. Run the model. So initially we have collected the offline data set. Like this we have collected, we can add one more data set here. Like this, we have collected offline data set. Based on this, it will recognize the letter of different South Indian languages. So now we can train that data set using CNN. So here we can see each image is training. And we have mentioned epoch 20. Once it is completed, we go for testing. So here each image is training through CNN algorithm. As we can see, parallelly accuracy and validness and also valid accuracy. So once it is completed successfully data processing and CNN training, we go for test image, click on test image. Select any one of this image. Parallelly it will display the letters. So here we can see the different South Indian languages letters. That is Kannada, Telugu and Tamil. It will display the sign. So now we can check for one more input. Click on text image button. Select any one of the images. So here we can see the predicted sign, Kannada, Telugu and Tamil letters. Now we can check for real-time hand gesture. Once it is collected the data set, it will save automatically to the images folder. Run the model. So press P to stop this image. So here we can see the images that is stored on the images folder. Copy these images. To the real time. So here we can see the hand gesture that is captured on real time. So now we can go for training part. So in this training is done through CNN algorithm. So here we can see the dataset folder real time. For this dataset, we are training through CNN algorithm. Parallel, it will display the South Indian languages. On run model. So we can train real-time dataset. So you can see each image is trained. After epoch 20 iteration, you can test real-time language. So once it is completed data processing and training, you can check text real-time. Click on text real-time button and enter languages, one for Kannada and press P. Click on enter. So parallelly you can see the Kannada letters. So like this, we can recognize the letters parallelly using hand gestures.